beaver dance, the bear dance. Then they introduced this dance to us, and boy, it caught on like wildfire. When the elders first seen it, they called it the crazy dance. They had never seen fast dancing like this. They called these dances show-offs, showboats, hot dogs. I'm going to show off all my fancy footwork, all my fancy body work I learned from watching Richard Simmons sweating to the oldies, guys. Now, like I said, I am a champion dancer. I'm going to come out. I'm going to share this dance with you guys. I hope you enjoy it. This is the men's Southern style fancy feather dance. Here we go. Now, down by Mr. Victor Walcott. Let's get him out here and start it off with a big round of applause. Now you watch this gentleman dance. He's going to come out here. He's going to tell you a story. You watch him dance, he'll tell you a story. He might be telling you a story of the trail of his enemy or the trail of his prey. He might be going off to battle or out on a hunt. But you watch him dance, he'll tell you a story. You'll never see him dance backwards. That's a sign of being cowardly. You'll never see him dance in a full circle. That's a sign of being lost, being confused. But you watch him dance, like I said, he'll tell you a story. Now you notice the war club in his hand. Now, all Cherokee men, warriors had one of these. Now, and all Cherokee men were warriors. Now, folks, when you became a warrior, you put all the children, all the kids, you could be 8, 9 years old and became a warrior. And when that happened, you quit playing with your friends. You didn't play no more games. You went and done what all the men do. And they blessed you with your war club. Now when you got this war club, it was blessed for you. Now when all Cherokee men had one of these, like I was saying, when the Indian-French War started in 1753, we aligned ourselves with the British. They were the lesser of two evils. We did a lot of their dirty work. We fought a lot of their battles. We even trained their soldiers in hand-to-hand combat. A lot of what we taught them then, they still use in the Army today. But like I said, this is such a dangerous weapon in a warrior's hand that it carries 4 different names. But the one that I use is a Donald Washington. That means the maker of war. Now you never let your women, you never let your children touch your war club. Children, they don't need to know nothing of war. They need to worry about being kids and nothing else. Women, they are the givers of life, and this is the taker. So you never let your women and your children touch your war club. You also notice his bandolier bag on the side. You notice the circles on there, the silver circles. Now these are war trophies. Now the Cherokees, we never took more than what we needed. We never overhunted. We never over-harvested anything. If we went out and hunted, we only took what we needed. If we needed one bear, that's all we took. And we used everything, guys, from the skin, the fur, the teeth, the brain, the bones, heart, brain, everything. The only thing we didn't eat was the intestines. And we left that for the little critters like raccoons and the birds and things like that to eat. Now this transferred over when we would go into battle. We only would ever take one war trophy every time we went to battle. Now like I said, he's going to come out here, he's going to share this dance with you guys. If you think you recognize him, you might have seen him on a couple movies. Have any of you ever seen that movie, Follow the River? Well, that was partially filmed on our Okanalufty back here. Not only did he follow it, but he fell in it a couple times, guys. What about Last of the Mohicans? Raise your hand if you've seen Last of the Mohicans. Now, he had a small part in that. That was filmed about 100 miles away from here. A lot of our men, women, and children participated in that movie. Raise your hand if you've seen Dancing with Wolves. Okay. Well, he wasn't in that, but it was a good movie, that one. But like I said, he's going to come out here. He's going to share this dance with us, guys. Let's get him started off with a big round of applause. watched him dance, he was looking for something, trying to find something. But you notice when them honor beats came along, he hollered, right? Well, he might have just found his prey. He might have just made a kill. He can now go home and feed his family. Or he might be getting ready to run off into battle, and he's letting them know, hey, I'm coming, be ready. Now, folks, like I said, he was looking for something, trying to find something. Anybody catch what he was looking for? McDonald's, boy, he lost his cheeseburger. He said he didn't have to hunt no more, just go to a drive-thru. Now, guys, hang on to your seats. We got this next dance. It is one of the most amazing, one of the most hardest, one of the most difficult dances to learn in our powwow styles today. Now, it is a dying art. There's not many hoop dancers left. It's a very hard, difficult dance to learn. It takes a lot of time and a lot of patience goes into learning this dance. And a lot of younger folks, they're too busy playing video games, text messaging, playing on the computer. They don't want to know how to do this dance. You're in for a real treat because not only do you get to see the hoop dance, you get to see a full-blooded Cherokee doing the hoop dance. That's two things you might not ever see again. I'm going to take these hoops, I'm going to lay them flat down on the ground. I'm going to pick them up with my feet. I'm going to share with you many designs. Now you got to use your imagination as I do this dance. You will see many designs, such as the eagle, the hummingbird, the ladybug, the turtle, the basket. You might even get to see the world, maybe even Mickey Mouse. Now what Mickey Mouse has to do with us Native people, I don't know, but he'll put a smile on your face, all right? Now folks, the more applause you give me, the more designs you will see. You see a design you like, you let me know by a round of applause. But first, I want everybody to say Waguli.
Waguli.
Now that's how you say whippoorwill in our Cherokee language. That is my father's name. And my father is actually the first one on our reservation to ever learn how to do this Indian hoop dance. A guy by the name of Larry Soap come out of Stillwell, Oklahoma some 45, 50 years ago and taught my father how to do this dance. Now without my father, I wouldn't know how to do this hoop dance, I wouldn't know how to run this show, and I wouldn't be the man I am today without my father. Now my father has passed away, but I like to honor him by telling you this, because like I said, without my father, I wouldn't know none of this stuff. Now before we do it, I want to teach you a little bit more about my language. I'm going to teach you how to say hello first, okay? I want everybody to raise your right hand. And say, how Kimosabi. I'm just kidding. That's John Wayne, Hollywood style, boys. One more time. Everybody raise your right hand and say, Shio.
Shio.
Now that's how you say hello in our Cherokee language. Shio.
Shio.
Now say ski.
Ski.
That means thank you. Now say wadah. That means you're welcome. Now if you got children, grandchildren, maybe just a niece and a nephew, they're misbehaving, doing something they're not supposed to, you would say chesty.
Chesty.
Now that means stop, behave. Now if they don't get it right off the bat, don't feel bad. My kids hear it in both languages, still don't know what it means. Now guys, you got to use your imagination. Like I said, you'll see many designs. As I made the designs, I'll call them out, so you won't be in the dark on them. Now, like I said, right after the hoop dance, we got the highlight of our show, the best dance in the show, hands down, the best dance in the show, so keep that in mind. But start me off with a big round of applause, folks. Here we go. Ladybug, what's her flag? Where we? The hummingbird. The turtle, he don't do much. Four-leaf clover, everybody needs a little luck. The rattlesnake. The stairway to heaven. Here he comes, folks. Mickey Mouse. Right on, cowboy. The butterflies for all you beautiful ladies out there. The spider web. Now watch closely, guys. You'll see the Cherokee basket being made. And now at the end, I'm going to show you how we're all connected. How we're all equal the same. By showing you the world in my hands. Oh, that ain't how it goes.
That's not it.
Here we go.